Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you for giving me the opportunity to present my paper, Empowering Education through AI, Potential Benefits and Future Implication for Instructional Pedagogy. Uh, AI, or artificial intelligence, refers to computational systems capable of mimicking human cognitive functions such as communication, decision making, learning, and problem solving. AI encompasses a broad spectrum of technologies and algorithms. In the educational domain, early applications of AI focused on intelligent tutoring systems designed to address challenges such as improving learner proficiency. The application of AI in education presents a significant paradigm shift for the field. AI's transformative potential extends across various social domains, and its influence within educational institutions is altering instructional approaches. These approaches are plastered by a diverse array of AI-powered tools designed to optimize student learning. Such tools encompass virtual reality, web-based platform, robotic systems, video conferencing, and 3D technologies. The integration of these innovations fosters a more individualized and in-depth learning experience for students, while concurrently enabling educators to operate with enhanced effectiveness and efficiency. Um, the aim of the study is to identify and analyze the potential benefits of implementing AI in educational settings with a focus on optimizing learning experiences. Additionally, it explores the potential future implication of AI on educational practices, aiming to provide a well rounded understanding of this evolving field. So let's take a look on the AI powered tools in education. AI powered education leverages intelligent tutoring systems, immersive virtual learning environments, and advanced data analysis and predictive capabilities. This broadens the educational scope by catering to diverse learning needs through machine learning algorithms. These algorithms personalize learning experiences and provide timely, customized training and feedback for educators and students. AI powered educational systems utilize a combination of machine learning, data mining, and knowledge models. Um, some examples of instructional design techniques that can be empowered by using AI tools is student learning outcome evaluation. We can use learner data analysis and educational data mining to extract or to get the result from this evaluation. Also, the automation of exam scoring and analysis. We can use an automated visual analysis with object detection and predictive modeling in order to um, get results uh, effectively and efficiently. Um, Learner models are a critical component of AI-based learning systems. They play a pivotal role in enhancing self-directed learning skills. These models are constructed by accumulating data on learner interactions observed during the instructional process. Knowledge models serve as a comprehensive knowledge structure within learning materials, so they often encompass expert knowledge, guidelines for addressing common learner errors and misconceptions, and domain specific information. The instructional models, which is a combination of the knowledge domain model and the learner model, defines access strategies for knowledge student for knowledge domain, which empowers instructors to tailor teaching methods and intervention to individual student needs. When we talk about machine learning for personalized education, we can leverage machine learning um, with the concept of knowledge discovery through analysis of sample data sets to uncover hidden patterns and structured information. This technology benefits both students and educators. For students, machine learning algorithms can personalize the learning experience by analyzing data like student preferences, their goals, their past performance, and recommend suitable courses and colleges for maximizing their potential. For the educators, machine learning offers insight into student comprehension of various subjects. Uh, by using this algorithm, we can analyze the aggregated student performance data, and which will help teachers adapt their teaching methods to address specific learning gaps and enhance overall student understanding. Um, Also, we can use learning analytics to um, go beyond measuring competencies. While competency-based learning is a powerful application, learning analytics can also leverage AI's adaptive learning functionalities. AI can analyze multiple factors to categorize students based on their risk of dropping out, enabling the creation of early warning systems and providing valuable insights for educational institutions. However, there is a challenge that lay in the broadening capability of learning analytics beyond its current focus to encompass disciplines like literature, arts, and interpersonal skills. Uh, we can agree all that educational sector stands to experience a significant transformation driven by the immense potential of AI. This study surveyed academic sources revealing a diverse range of AI applications in educational environments. These applications, for example, contained the following: the streamlining the administrative stack tasks such as student progress tracking, assignment grading, feedback delivery through web-based platforms or dedicated softwares. Other application in which AI contributes to the creation of curricula, educational materials, lesson plans, in which they leverage virtual reality, online platforms, robotics, and 3D technology. Um, Other application is where AI transcends geographical limitations by hosting learning resources on the internet and the www, which facilitate the access for this material from anywhere, anytime. And there is the focused application in education, which takes various forms, including content development, teaching strategies, and student evaluation. Uh, so, the finding of this research or this studies um, in terms of what is the role of AI in instructional pedagogy. So analysis of the selected papers reveals a prominent and growing application of AI in teaching and instructional supports. The reviewed paper papers explore diverse AI platforms and applications as instructional tools. These are some example of these tools that is used in instruction. Virtual reality, 3D technology can be used to enhance student comprehension across various subjects. Educational robots, or as they call it, cobots, are deployed for both basic and complex activities like teaching children to read. Also, the ITS, which is intelligent tutoring systems. These systems, especially the one with conversational capabilities and integration with chatbot or copot, can significantly enhance teaching effectiveness. AI in web-based educational system impose the platform with teacher-like capabilities. We can all agree that AI holds significant potential to transform education by automating administrative tasks and fostering personalized learning. From grading system that can expedite the evaluation of essays and assignment, and freeing up teachers for more individual student interaction. As for the future implication of AI in education, we can all agree that AI can be utilized to create adaptive assessment that cater to individual student needs. These assessments can dynamically adjust difficulty levels and question types based on a student performance. This allows for the creation of personalized learning plans that identify knowledge gaps and recommend targeted learning activities. Not only that, involvement of parents in the educational process can be also enhanced by AI. AI systems can generate reports and provide insights to parents about their child's learning progress, empowering them to support their child's education outside of the classroom. As for the teacher, embracing AI requires continuous learning and professional development to stay up to date with the evolving capabilities of AI tools. This study highlights the need for further exploration of AI in education, particularly its application in instructional pedagogy. Some of the key recommendations are um, further studies should investigate the potential benefits of AI in instructional design and delivery methods, and how AI can be leveraged to optimize learning outcomes. Also, integrating AI concept and applications into the curriculum at all educational level is recommended. Doing so will equip students with the necessary knowledge and skills to thrive in an increasingly AI-driven world. Um, Moreover, developing and implementing projects related to AI applications in education at higher education level is crucial. Engaging students in such project will provide them with valuable hands-on experience and a deeper understanding of AI functionalities. In conclusion, we can say that the development of AI marks a new era in computer-assisted learning. AI systems can act as intelligent tutors, learning tools, or even virtual students, enhancing educational decision-making by incorporating human expertise. The convergence of AI and education creates a significant opportunity to elevate both instruction and learning quality. Educators can leverage intelligent technologies for tasks like assessment, data collection, learning enhancement, and developing innovative instructional strategies. Asynchronous learning platforms and intelligent tutoring systems have the potential to improve students' outcome. Furthermore, the integration of AI with education represents a transformative shift impacting not only the educational landscape but also human knowledge, cognition, and the broader civilization. Uh, in con- um, Consequently, AI in education is rapidly gaining prominence as a research area within computer assisted learning and is likely to be a subject of extensive future discussion. Finally, I leave you with this quote that was generated by the OpenAI. Using AI smartly and ethically requires the delicate balance of harnessing its transformative power while safeguarding the values of fairness, transparency, and human well being. Thank you very much for listening. Should you have any further question, you can email me on the provided email address. Thank you.